You don't need to spend tons of money to make your home look sleek and styled. A few small adjustments can work wonders. Don't be afraid of empty space. Take your time to declutter your room, instead focusing on key points in your living space when thinking of decorations. Having 6 to 8 light sources in your living room spreads the light evenly across your space. Hanging beautiful art on the walls can accentuate your furniture and show your unique taste. Work with a few large key pieces in different areas of the room to create fascinating visual points. Treat every item in your room as a treasure, and you'll create a space that feels luxurious and elegant.